Energy of photon whose frequency is 10 raised to 12 megahertz. Question is again very simple. हमें बतानी है energy of electron in electron volt having frequency is equal to 10 raised to 12 megahertz. So energy E is equal to H nu, which is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34, and nu is 10 raised to 12 into 10 raised to 6, because 1 mega is equal to 10 raised to 6. So this is equal to energy in joules. Now energy in electron volt will be equal to 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 10 raised to 18 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So simply on solving this we will get 4.14 into 10 raised to 3 electron volt, which is equal to, so we need not to solve it again because we have got the answer, which is option D.